Hey guys, it is Kai and today I will be cleaning out my mum's car. It's very bad punishment. She's not punishing me. I just wanted to video it and I wanted to do something on my channel because I haven't been doing it for the past few days. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Let's go and take you outside why is that going in the bin?
Not going in the bin.
Oh. I'm going to get some socks on because you know what I'm like with shoes with no socks. Oh, you don't know what I'm like. I'm in my bedroom. I'm going to get my socks on and then we'll be ready. Oh, sometimes I get the feeling. So let's go downstairs. Sorry if it's a bit of a bumpy ride because I'm walking.
What are you doing?
Hoovering your car.
Oh, you need to go upstairs and get the hoover then, Mum.
Oh. Let's go and get the hoover. Oh, the stairs. Okay. Get the hoover. It's okay. Really hard to carry hoover. Walking backwards. Let's get my shoes on. Sorry if my hair is out. I'm getting my shoes on to get the car. And then I've got my mom outside waiting for me. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to put my finger on it. But then you will see me again. So you can't see my number.
Mouse,
What?
you can't hoover it with that, can you?
No.
Why are you bringing the hoover outside? I won't, whatever. Drop any of them and you are in serious trouble. She's going to break them.
Okay. I'm outside.
Right, go open it and then come back.
Okay. I'm going out so you can't see my number. I'm going to do that first. So guys, let's put you in the car. And put you in there. And then So guys, I am back and I'm going to start hoovering. Guys, just remember, be kind to your parents. I'm just gonna go in here, sit on the seat. Wait, I've done it all wrong. Did it all wrong. For now, let's just take this out and wait there for a second. Alright, okay, that was a little bit high, but honestly, quite good. But not. Pretty hard to do that. I really don't want to hoover right now. I'm not in the mood. Guys, I am not in the mood to hoover. Why don't I just hoover there, man? I'm not going to hoover. Guys, I'm not hoovering. I am going to be out here. So guys, I'm just going to hoover. So guys, that's just the Lincoln. Sorry there's a lot of noise, it's just really hard to hoover. Guys, no, I'm not like good at hoovering. Not in there. Can you see me, guys? If you can see the window. I got something in my eye, guys. Wait. Why is there so much dirt in this lemon thing? Sorry, guys. Got good grip on the bottom. Macy, my cousin, decided to get gingerbread all over the thing. going to sit down onto the floor and do the hoovering. Guys, why not take you out of the car? That would be better, wouldn't it? I'll hold you guys. It is really light outside, so you might not be able to see me. I can't see you guys because I'm on a... Guys, I'm going to finish off this car.